Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Have you ever been scrolling through Instagram Reels and found an amazing video, but the captions or the audio are in a language you just don't understand? Well, in today's video, I'm going to guide you through the updated way to force Instagram to automatically translate those Reels. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First things first, grab your phone and open up the Instagram app. Go ahead and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to get to your profile. Now look up at the top right corner. Tap the three little lines. That is your menu button. Scroll down until you find an option specifically called Language and Translations. This is the main control center for how the app handles any foreign text or audio you come across. Look for the header that says Reels Translations. Right under that, tap on the option that says Translate To. This is going to bring up a massive list of available languages. Use the search bar at the very top to quickly find your preferred language, like English, Spanish, or French. Once you tap the language you want, Instagram will automatically save your choice. And that's it. From now on, whenever you stumble across a reel that isn't in your native tongue, Instagram is going to offer you a translation in the language you picked. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.